Grasp the arm of the microscope with one hand and support the base of the microscope with the other. Remember, a microscope is a very fragile piece of equipment. Plug in the microscope and use the on-off switch to turn it on. Lower the stage. Rotate the nose piece until the lower power 4 times objective is in line. Always begin examining slides with the low power objective. Place your slide on the stage with the specimen face up. Secure the slide between the slide holder arms. The slide can now be moved around using the 2 control knobs located under the stage on the right of the microscope. To adjust eyepieces, pull them away from each other. Move your head towards the eyepiece until one of your eyes can see the complete field of view. Now gradually decrease the distance between the eyepieces until it matches the distance between your eyes. At the correct distance, you will see one circular field of view with both eyes. If it didn't work for the first time, try again. This skill requires some practice. Looking at the stage, bring it all the way up until it stops by turning the coarse focus knob. It won't be able to reach the 4 times objective. Look through the eyepieces and slowly turn the coarse focus knob, lowering the stage until the specimen comes into focus. If you don't see an image, it is probably off-center. Be sure that the specimen is directly below the objective lens. Get the specimen into sharp focus using the fine focus knob. To adjust the intensity of light, use the voltage regulator. At lower magnifications, less light will be needed. To change the amount of light coming through the condenser, use the iris diaphragm lever. The amount of light determines the contrast of the image under the microscope. For low magnifications, the iris diaphragm lever should be closed. Adjust the light every time you switch objectives. Close your left eye and use the focus knob to focus on a sharp edge near the center of the field of view. Next, close your right eye and turn the eyepiece itself to focus on the same edge as with your left eye. Rotate the higher power 10 times objective into place. You should notice that the image remains near focus. Readjust the fine focus and light. If necessary, move the stage slightly to place the specimen in the center of the field of view. Now switch to the 40 times objective. Readjust the fine focus and light again. For maximum magnification, rotate the 40 times objective out and stop in between the 40 times and 100 times objectives. Place a drop of immersion oil on the slide. Now slowly rotate the 100 times oil immersion objective into place. Again, the specimen should remain in focus, although minor adjustments in fine focus and light contrast may be needed. Remember, you cannot come back to the 40 times objective with the oil on top of the slide. Oil will make the 40 times objective unusable. When you are done, rotate the 100 times objective so that the short 4 times objective will come into its place. Now you can remove the slide securely and clean the 100 times lens. Remember to remove any immersion oil from the oil immersion lens. Make sure to use lens paper only. Anything else may scratch the objective. Turn off the light source. Make sure there is no slide left on the stage. Coil the power cord, cover your microscope, and carefully return the microscope into the cabinet.